All Things Collectibles are doing a 2-box break of the new Marvel Premiere. We're looking for a Gleb sketch card. Or a 20 booklet sketch.
That would be nice.
This is the Exquisite of Marvel.
It's thick. There's a She-Hulk on the back. Iron Man on the front.
Got an Iron Man base card.
Invisible Woman base card. Shadow box. Iron Man vs. Iron Patriot.
Got a first sketch from Sager. It looks to be of a Marvel girl.
Yeah, Jean Grey.
The next sketch is I do not know.
Here's an Iron Fist sketch. This is in a sleeve.
This one's a
I have
booklet.
No idea who that is.
Beast versus Ballist. They really put them in those bags. They actually sketch both sides. So there's the Beast side of it.
On the back.
And then there's Ballist. It's by Frankie Washington. Nice sketch. Good color.
Yeah. I like the Iron Fist the best. Pretty nice.
Got an Iron Fist. It looks to be by Reynolds. Good color on that one.
Yeah. Shadow boxes are nice.
Iron Man, Iron Patriot. And then the other one was
Jean Grey.
Jean Grey, Marvel Girl. I'm guessing it could be Firestorm though. Not real store. Well, it says Jean Grey, so yeah, and either way. By Sager. Pretty nice. 101. Alright, on to the second box. We're still looking for the Gleb.
It's in this one, I know it.
Or Glebe, or...
Need a Gleb. Sabertooth on the back. Face card.
See some color.
Green Goblin base. Printing plate.
Got a 1/1 printing plate. Nice.
Classic Corners Defenders #1. It's a patch.
Magneto something.
Here's
Captain America sketch.
This looks like Magneto, but
That's a
I don't know who that is.
5 sketch one. It looks like Magneto. It's right over there, Pops. Looks like Magneto, but it could be Onslaught. You see anything on the other side?
The packs and these boxes.
I'm thinking Onslaught, but I can't tell who drew it.
I can't either.
That's the brand new ones right there. Yeah, those are the hobby ones there. You get
Captain America.
You just want to buy the box?
there's Captain America. Can't tell who did that as well. And then a printing plate.
And just the $6 ones.
Dr. Doom, 101, Magenta, and some base. Alright, thanks for watching.